If you want to know how I take my braids from looking like this to this, then keep watching. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get started. You're going to need a couple of items: a spray bottle with water in it, a leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner that works for you. Any one of your choice is fine. A hair mousse, same as the leave-in conditioner, anyone that works for you. And a hair oil for your scalp. I start off by sectioning my hair into 2 separate halves like I'm doing here. Actually, it's going to end up being 4 parts as opposed to 2 parts. I don't know why I'm playing with my hair, but that's why I'm playing with my hair. So I tie away 1 half of my head so that the ones from the other side don't get into the other. I hope that makes sense. Then I part the free half into 2 separate halves and I roll it up like I'm doing here just to tuck the hair away. Roll. Yeah, tuck that away. And then I get my spray bottle. The spray bottle contains just water and I'm going to drench my hair in water from my roots to my ends. Yes, my ends as well, the length of my hair. Then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner. I'm literally done with the whole top. And I rake that through my hair, the top to the bottom, the whole length of the hair. Leave-in conditioner and without leave-in conditioner. Next step is to separate your hair. Something I want to mention about my goddess braids is I did not use extra hair. I simply put out hair whilst I was braiding my hair. So all I do is separate the extra hair that I brought out whilst I was braiding my hair, and that is what makes my hair look really fluffy and full by the time I'm done. This definitely is a tedious process because it makes your arms hurt, but the results are so amazing. So that's all I'm doing till I am done with the perimeter of the first half of my head that I separated. That I'm done, you can see the difference between the side that has been separated and the side that hasn't been separated. So I'm just fluffing it out, showing you the difference. And now I'm going to work on the side that hasn't been refreshed. So you take your spray bottle once again, drench the length of your hair with water. Make sure every strand gets more than enough water. Even though it's fake hair, I've noticed that with water drenching the hair, it does help with the luster and the lusciousness and the silkiness of the hair. I already put in leave-in conditioner, and what I'm simply doing here is the same thing I did before. I'm raking the leave-in conditioner through the length of my hair. And the next step, like I did the first time, will be to separate the extra hair from the whole length of the hair, just to get the fluff out, just to fluff it up. What this does is it fluffs it up, it removes any tangles, and the hair just looks extremely beautiful afterwards. My arms were hurting at this point because it is a tedious process. I don't do this style of refreshing my hair every single day. I do this once a week. So maybe every Sunday or every Wednesday, I will take my time, go in and separate the strands of hair, like the extra hair that I brought out. But every single day, I can easily just wake up and go. Doing this once a week really helps my hair. And you can see how full, bouncy, shiny, silky my hair is already. So I'm going in with my spray bottle again, going to drench my hair with water. I really wish I didn't do this last step because I noticed the difference after I did what I'm about to do, and I hope you can see it as well. So I drench my hair with the water, the whole length of my hair. I get my ends as well. Now that is done, I am going to go in with my hair mousse. This is the L'Oreal Studio Pro hair mousse. This is a volumizing hair mousse. Like I said earlier, I wish I didn't go with hair mousse because something I noticed is After I used the hair mousse, I did notice that my hair was stiff, which is normal because that's what hair mousse does. Hair mousse clumps everything together and ensures that everything stays in place. And that's not the look I was going for. I wanted the hair to remain fluffy and full as opposed to kind of like wet look. It kind of gave the wet look afterwards. And when it did dry down, it was more stiff and less fluffy. I know now not to use the hair mousse if I want a more fluffy, free-flowing, full look. So next time I wouldn't be making use of the hair mousse, just water and leave-in conditioner. But if you want the wet look, you can use the hair mousse. Next thing is oil. I'm trying out this Yari oil. I don't know if it's working, but I am currently growing out my hair. So I'm going to put this on my scalp to finish up my whole refreshing process and really work that into my scalp. But yeah, take my time, massage my scalp, put some on my edges as well, and massage that all in. Now that that's done, this is an extra step, and that's why I didn't mention it as items that you need, is some form of edge control or edge gel if you're the type to lay down your edges. I stopped laying down my edges a long time ago, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do it. So I'm laying this got2b glue gel on my edges and I'm just swooping my hair all the way in. No edge design in particular. I just want my edges to be tucked in. And that's it. This is the final look. Very fluffy, flowy, free-flowing, and all of the extra hair has been separated so it has more body and life. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and leaving a like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.